Warning: the following video clip contains strong language and has therefore been rated 18 plus by the YouTube NECCA. Viewer discretion is advised.
All right, guys, AV Watchman. I'm out here in the city of Palmdale. I'm out here with SGV Dudes First, and we're gonna visit a post office located on 20th Street East, in between Avenue P and Avenue Q. I didn't even know this post office was here until the other day. I was driving past and I seen the flag flying high. Took a better look and sure enough, it's a post office. So we're gonna come here and conduct the First Amendment audit. Let's see if they respect our rights to public photography. I have a bunch of old newspapers here, it looks like. Or they might be new newspapers. They look old.
Guys, need help or something?
Hello, you need help?
Solo mi hala.
They're mute.
You need what?
They cannot speak. Hablo inglés.
¿Tú no hablas español?
¿Ocupan algo?
Ocupo agua. ¿Tienes agua? ¿Tienes sed este güey? ¿Quiere agua? Sácalo.
You don't speak Spanish? Sí. Oh, but I can hear it. ¿Qué tienes sed?
¿Tienes sed, güey? Ándale.
The guy from UPS said that they must be
Ya
mute.
preguntaste si necesitamos ayuda. Pues, ¿dónde está la ayuda?
¿Qué ocupan?
Agua.
¿Pero por qué están tomando la tienda para allá?
No, pues estás ofreciendo, ¿no?
¿Eh?
Estás ofreciendo.
¿Pero qué quieren?
Están ofreciendo ayuda. Dame ayuda. Quiero agua.
¿Para qué están tomando fotos?
Porque es por la ley que podemos. No hay ni una ley que dice que no podemos sacar fotos.
This guy's from UPS telling them
They're trying to be like one of those people. Trying to get a little publicity or trying to do some stupid shit.
¿Y tú qué, güey?
Oh, there's no law to protect it. I can do whatever I want. But I have a camera.
No badges, but they have cameras.
this is the guy from UPS.
But they think
He's over here talking shit.
No, we know we could do
Saying
whatever
that-
the fuck we want, bitch. We know we could do whatever the fuck we want. That's the difference.
Hey, you see, guys? And
That's
this
the
is
fucking difference, coward.
this is a UPS worker right here. Hope you enjoy your job.
You guys are doing an excellent job.
Enjoy your job.
Excellent job, guys. Standing behind the fans, just doing nothing. Think that you guys don't do nothing wrong.
Yeah, wait till your fucking bitch
Good
ass
job,
gets pulled
guys.
over and harassed by the cops. See how you like it,
Good
bitch.
job.
This is a guy from UPS.
Yeah. They don't appreciate what we do.
Yeah, we're gonna go follow. I'm gonna go inside here and complain about this guy right now. This is the way to get in over here. So there's a UPS worker back here, you know, mocking and, you know, saying all kinds of weird stuff. All because we have cameras. Hello.
Hello.
So guys, They have the Civil War right here. Once divided. Check it out.
That's all there is? Thank you so much. I would have thought there was more
You
stuff.
can't have the cameras.
Hey, buddy, who can we talk to? Are you manager or?
But you can't have the cameras inside.
We can. Read that right there. See that form right there hanging on your own wall? Read that. I can't believe they have the Civil War poster up.
Civil War stamps, but they don't believe in civil rights. What's that about it?
Injury.
Hey, dude.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
They sell the stamps, but yet they don't believe in the civil rights.
If they want to quote false law and say that we're not allowed to be in here. No, he's on the phone. Hopefully he's probably the postmaster. Where's the postmaster at?
Once you guys put the cameras on, I can help you out. I don't know.
Yeah, why don't you just get the postmaster? We don't want to talk to you.
You guys sell Civil War stamps, but you don't believe in civil rights? All right, guys. This is nutty. So they have a poster hanging up of the Civil War. Different stamps that they're selling. But yet, they don't believe in the civil rights. This goes to show you that none of these post offices or these places that fly the flag, they don't comprehend or understand about our Constitution, about our civil rights. It's just one big money-making machine. That's all they want. Money, 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 money. Money, 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 money. That's it. You guys keep watching. There's a whole lot more to come.
Thank you. Have a great one.
Thank you. Okay, big girl.
They're nice and then it's me.
Oh, here.
Yeah. The package for me, but my wife.
Okay, I'll get the mic one.
Oh, it says, yeah, you just go by the address?
All right, guys, we're going to come back out here to the rear side of the post office. Obviously, the guy doesn't want to speak to us or help us at all. We got UPS guy back with the big mouth.
And they're back! Look at him. Let me record him too.
It's my mom.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, you got
You
a...
guys don't got nothing else better to do.
Hey, bro, you got a really big-ass mouth to be working for that company.
Just be there during.
Hey, is that what you do on taxpayers' dollars or what?
Yes, sir.
That right there?
Look at that, working hard, baby. Sweat my ass.
Yeah, you ain't sweating nothing, man.
What are you doing? Tell me
All you
that.
doing is running your mouth and talking shit over cameras.
What are you doing?
Over cameras. Paying you, bitch, to do that job.
Yeah.
Now get to work.
Real good money. What are
Get
you
to
doing?
work. Get to work.
Shit.
Get to work.
Being a bum.
Bomb?
Nothing, you bum.
Hey, it sounds like you're reflecting.
Bums.
This is how UPS treats
Bums.
the public.
Bums.
This is how UPS treats the public, guys.
We'll see how your job is fucking treating you in a couple
Look at a real
days.
job, man. Look at a real job.
Look at this guy.
Bums.
Your mom's a bum, bitch.
Bums.
So this is the USPS, guys.
Little Pinto, some kind of
659 328.
Yeah. Yeah, him too.
Here's the number of the vehicle.
Ooh, he filled my truck. Oh.
659 328. And I'm going to put the time and date on this video. We need to find out who this is in this vehicle.
Nothing else.
We're going to see if you're saying that shit by next week. Buddy.
He's done, bro. He already know he fucked up and he recorded it on his phone.
Yeah, he fucked up.
Let's go to UPS, bro.
Yep.
The truck number 659-328.
Yep, we got it too. This is why we film. Here we have a UPS worker treating photographers like shit, calling them bums. Truck number 659-328. You're gonna see how you feel by next week. You guys see that? Yeah, and this guy is in charge of people's mail. You guys really want somebody like this? Having your mail in his possession? Having any of these people with our mail in their possession? And this is who we trust when it comes down to the mail system.
Let's see how they feel about losing businesses from thousands of people.
Viewer discretion is advised.
His date is July 1st. The time is 12:36 in the afternoon. We need to find out who has this vehicle.
Your mom drives a fucking pistol, bitch. I bet your mom sleeps in a Pinto, bitch. Oh, you're calling me a pendejo? Well,
Hey, look, matter of fact, all these workers here, man, they're all over here.
Yeah, let me hear it then.
This is who we trust with our mail.
Come out here and say it.
Hey, you guys should have more professionalism instead of standing here acting like bitches, bro. Go inside your building and read this shit on the fucking wall. The poster 7, you piece of shit. Before you guys sit here and start talking about us, bitch. You little fucking pussy. Go read your poster 7 before you want to start disrespecting us, you fucking pussy.
That's right, you fucking pussy.
Fucking pussies.
That's right, you fucking
Hey,
pussy.
yo, we trust you guys with our mail, bitch. We at least get a little bit of respect from you motherfuckers.
That's right.
I never get pissed like that.
You know, these fucking clowns don't like their job, obviously.
You too, UPS. You little fucking pussy.
Oops. Oops, I drive a Pinto. Oops. Oops, I drive a Pinto. Oops.
Hey, just to let you little bitches know, we are gonna go over your heads. You little bitches will apologize. Trust and believe that. Every one of you little bitches back there. Guys, yo, you guys know I never, ever get angry like that. But to sit there and have this guy say all this stuff in Spanish talking about people's mothers, freaking cars that they drive, bombs, and everything else like that, just having no type of respect at all for the public, for public photography, having no type of respect for his job, no dignity, no nothing for that job that he has with the UPS. None of these workers that were in the back had any type of respect for not just us, but for the postal services as well. But yet they want to sit there and just yip. We try to walk inside and let them know about the poster 7, and we were ignored. So yeah, I went ahead and took off and went to the UPS, and I have that video going to be coming soon. This guy is going to get identified. As of right now, they're playing dumb, like they don't know who he is. But I'll be back up there on Monday. We will follow through with this. AV Watchman signing out.